Sometimes, you may feel, your computer is extremely slow and buggy to use. As all of your important files saved in your computer, you are getting horrible experience when trying to do your day-to-day tasks. Resetting your computer is a good solution for this. But most people neglecting this option, because they really worried to lose the personal files stored in computer. Today, we will show you how to reset your computer without losing your personal files and bring back your computer's real performance again. Let's start. Go to Windows Settings and open Update and Security. Here you need to select Recovery option from the list. Select the option called Reset this PC to get started. Here, you can see two options. We have the freedom to keep our personal files, or erase them and completely reset our computer. As we need all our files after resetting the computer, select the first option, Keep My Files and proceed. Here is the list of changes will be applied to your computer. Your personal files will not be affected, but all the changes and settings applied to your computer, and all the third-party programs installed, will be removed. You need to install them manually, after resetting your computer. If these settings are comfortable for you, just click on Next. Windows will process your data, before resetting the computer. This may take a while. Once the process has been completed, your computer will restart to complete the restoration. Okay, now the process has been completed. Your computer has been restored to its factory defaults. And most importantly, all of your files remain at their respective locations. But, this is not the case for some users. Sometimes, Windows doesn't start at all. In this case, you can't log into your computer, to follow the guidelines mentioned earlier. When you power on your computer, it won't start normally, and trying to diagnose your computer instead. Sometimes, this automatic repair process can repair your computer, but in some cases, you will end up with this screen. If this is your case, you can still reset your computer, without losing your data. Yeah, there are few options that you can try out, to repair your computer before deciding to reset. But, as we only discussing the options related to resetting your computer, we move directly to the final option. Okay, let's start. Go to Advanced options showing on the screen. Here, you need to select Troubleshoot option. Then go to Reset this PC option. Here, you can see two options. Select the first option, as you need to keep your files safe. Now, the restoration process is initiating. You will ask to choose your administrative account, and its password to proceed. Windows will ask you to confirm your decision for one last time. In there, you can review the things you are gonna keep and lose. This process may take more than 5 minutes. At the end of the process, you will see your familiar Windows login screen. Just log into your account, and experience a fresh new Windows environment. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please consider pressing subscribe button, as it encourages us a lot.